Substack tutorial for beginners, how you can use Substack, a new economic engine for culture. So hello there and welcome back to another video. On today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Substack. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to substack.com/about this site, and there you can scroll down and find this option, start a Substack. Simply tap on the start a Substack, and then after clicking on to start a Substack, you have to enter your email address right in this box, and you have to check out this sign, and then you have to tap on to agree and continue. So after tapping on to agree and continue, you will be prompted to enter your name and enter your bio, and also where else can you be found, right, this option at the bottom here below. So enter your name, then you can enter bio, or you can use any AI to enter your bio, like what your bio, what is your job or something like that. For now I'm gonna show you, right, hi, I'm a professional sleeper. Okay, that's enough. Now you can enter your social media accounts if you want. This one is optional, but that's why I'm gonna skip it right now and tap on to continue. So let's tap on to continue and start our Substack. Now you have to tap onto this captcha. You have to complete this captcha, like I have to select all the images with stars. So let's play this game, let's find out. So after completing the captcha, you have to okay, let's complete this captcha again. I think that's enough. Let's tap on to verify. Okay, I have to choose all the buses right here. So for example, this one. Okay, now let's tap on to continue. Now you have to select a file, like let's select a file right from here, this one. Okay, let's tap on to this one. Okay, now you have to check out this sign, then tap on to import, and then okay, so let's skip it for now. Now you have to enter your Gmail address everywhere, 01 01. Okay, just like, okay, let's continue. Now you have to enter some basic questions like this, like dive into interests, just choose them. For example, technology, digital media, okay, let's artificial intelligence, cyber security. Then you can choose any other things, for example, US politics or other things like finance. You can choose one. For example, I'm going to choose investing and personal finance, then I'm going to tap continue. So now you have to tap on to, you can subscribe to the 7 and can continue if you wish to. Like these are the things based on my interest I answered before. So you can subscribe and you can continue. Also you can skip if you wish to. So there we go. This is the dashboard of Substack. This will look like this. And now you can view site from here. You can see the site is something like this. This look like this. Now you can turn on paid options. You can connect it to Stripe. Also you can add subscribers by email. You can type emails here. You can import an email list right here. Also you can share a link to your Substack and etc. You can get your first subscriber by following these steps, and you can share your Substack if you wish to. You can copy the link, or also you can share it to Facebook, email, notes, and by clicking onto these three options, basically the more option, you can see you can share your profile to many more sites like Twitter, LinkedIn, Blue Skies, and many more. You can just choose it. You can tap onto next. You can create your first post from here. You have to enter your title. For example, I'm gonna type my mind show first post, and then I'm gonna tap enter, and I'm gonna add a subtitle right here, subscribe, and then that's it. Now you can tap onto subscribe now option, and after clicking on the subscribe now option, you have to pledge your support for Jack Subscribe. You can subscribe it for yearly or monthly, or you can check out this founding option, which is $150 a month. And lastly, no pledge. Here you can just choose it, and then you can tap on to continue without pledging. And you have to answer this question like, do you want to recommend Jack Substack? If you want, you can tap on to recommend, or also you can skip for now. And then you can speed the word here. If you want to help Jack Substack even more, you can share your reason for subscribing like this. You can tap on to share, and you can just copy link or share this. I'm gonna tap onto maybe later. So that was all these things, and here you can see this notes option. So on this notes option, you can create your own post like what is on your mind. Also, you can upload image, or you can also upload videos of yours if you want. Then you can post it. You can also share it via Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. You can also copy the link and share it to your friends or email it to your friends from here. You can choose the browser and all other things here. Then you can share it. Okay, you can also send us message. You can just search people from here. So that's pretty much it. Now let's check out the archive option. Right here on the archive option, you can check out these things. As you can, this is empty because the account is now just created. Now at the about section right here, you can check out this about section. You can edit it according to your need, as it is your about section. And you can tap on to subscribe now, or you can just edit it according to your need. For example, you can cut this text, and you can tap on to follow me to check. Okay, that's it. Now let me, you can make it more familiar, like more cool, like why subscribe, why to not subscribe to me. And then you can enter these things like subscribe to get full access to the new. You can just edit this text. Nice, etc. You can just enter your like description, and so that people like it. Just use your unique existence and creativity, then tap on to save, and it will be saved completely. So there you can see, you can check it out. First one is why not true. Okay, there's some grammatical mistakes right now. Let me fix that. Why not? Wait, let me fix it. Okay, now it has been fixed. Now let's save it up. So that's it. This is how you can use substack.com. So here you can see it has been needed. So edit everything according to your need, according to your wish, and that would be enough. So this is how you can edit your page. You can edit your page, your text, and etc. from here. You can just edit all of these things, and then you can preview it if you want, and then you can preview it like the mobile version done, and all other things. So that is pretty much it. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on another video. And by the way, you can check it all the settings out. You can add images, links, and many other things.